Hi there, it's Miss Mason here. We're going to be practicing beginning or initial sounds together. I'm going to show you a picture, and then I'm going to give you a task. I'm going to say the sound P. Then you'll repeat after me. Say, P, P. Does this picture start with the P sound? Yes or no? Yes, this is a peach. Peach starts with the P sound. Let's try another one together. This is a duck. Give me a D sound. Say D, D. Does duck start with D? Yes or no? Yes, duck starts with the D sound, and so does Darlene and door. All right, let's try another one. I want to see those heads moving. This is a picture of a fish. Say, does fish start with yes or no? Shake your head. Yes, fish starts with f. This is a picture of a sheep. Say shh, shh. Does sheep start with shh? Yes, sheep starts with shh. This is a picture of a seal. A seal. Say like a snake. Does the word seal start with the s sound? Yes or no? Yes, seal starts with the s sound. Awesome job. This is a picture of a mouse. Say, mmm, mmm. Does mouse start with Yes, mouse starts with the sound. Let's keep going. All right, our next picture is a picture of a hen. Hen. Say, does hen start with yes or no? Yes, hen starts with the sound. Great work. Our next picture is a chick. A chick. Can you say the ch, ch, ch sound? Ch, ch, ch. Does chick start with the ch sound? Yes or no? Yes, chick starts with the ch, ch sound. Great work. We have two more left. This is a picture of a cat. Say k, k, k. Does cat start with k? Yes, cat starts with k. And our last picture is a pig. Say p, p, p. Does pig start with the p sound? Yes or no? Yes, pig starts with the p sound. Great job finding the beginning sounds of our pictures today. I'll see you next time.